Friends, today I will talk about hunger. Generally, people talk about the hunger of stomach. For stomach, we eat so many good things, delicious things. Pizza, burger, chicken, mutton, so many things. But nobody thinks about mental hunger. Do we do mental exercises? Do we try to give new and positive thoughts to our mind? Do we try to fill our mind with energy? Do we try to play mental games? Do we try to learn new languages? No, we just do opposite. We put negative thoughts. Negative thoughts. I'm good, he is bad. People are not good. This is wrong. That is wrong. All these things are there in mind every time. And what we think starts happening with us. If all time we think negative thoughts, then negative things start happening. We should have a peaceful mind. Peaceful mind. We should not have negative thoughts. But this is so unfortunate that we never talk about mental health. We only understand the hunger of our stomach. But what about mental hunger? It is very important to be healthy from our mind. If we are not healthy from our mind, we will not be able to take correct type of decisions. We will not be able to use our mind in our professional work also and in our personal work also. We will not be able to use it. And it is a research that if we learn new languages, if we play mental games, then many diseases we can save ourselves, like Alzheimer's, hypertension, even sugar. So many things we can control if we can control our mind. If we give positive energy to our mind should be very creative, full of energy, and it should be in the right direction. Positive thoughts should be there. Negative thinking should not be there. Even I would say positive. It should be full of positive things. Positive things. So, friends, remember, hunger is not of only stomach. One other hunger is also there, and that is the hunger of our mind. And we should fill it only with positive thoughts, with positive energy, so that we could contribute in a very positive way. to our society, to our family, even to our own self.